Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Seagate 10 terabyte desktop storage with integrated USB hub. The last video I did was on the Seagate 8 terabyte desktop storage. I will link that video above. Here we have the 10 terabyte backup Seagate storage with included software. Works with PC and Mac. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. Here's your quick starter guide, easy to hook up and install. I like the text leaky look it has. And here are the two USB slots right on the front. On the back you have the power hookup and the computer hookup. There's also a protective cover around the whole machine, so go ahead and pull that off. As you can see, both sides and the front have a shiny look. So on the sides it has a honeycomb matte finish. On the bottom it has 4 rubber feet so it doesn't move on your desk. So here we have the power cable. It also comes with 6 different power plugs for different countries. Just slide in the one that works for you, and you're ready to go. Connected to the back of your hub in the power slot. Next you have your USB 3 cable to hook up to your computer. Here is what both ends look like. Using the B side, hook that up to your hub. On the front were the two USB ports to charge any device that you need to charge. So this was just a quick look over of the 10 terabyte Backup Plus hub. If you need to back up your computer or store anything on your desktop hub. My thoughts on the Seagate is that it's reliable, it's quiet, and it's easy to use. It has a good amount of storage and takes up little space. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.